Every woman tests, not to break you, but to see you. She's not listening for your strength, she's feeling for it. And if she doesn't sense that emotional stability, she'll slowly pull back. But if you pass her tests, that's when she starts chasing. Ever had a date go perfectly until she hits you with something like, "Oh, do you say that to all the girls?" Suddenly, you're caught in your head, unsure whether to laugh, defend, or freeze up. Most guys fail in that moment, not because they're weak, but because they don't recognize the test. Failing a test doesn't mean you did something wrong. It simply means she didn't feel your grounded masculine presence. So, what is a female test? It's her emotional radar pinging you, not to hurt, but to gauge whether you're stable. She might flirt with a waiter, make a sarcastic comment, or compare you to her ex. It's often unconscious, but always emotional. She's asking, can this man stay solid under pressure? Think about it. Would you follow a leader who panics at every challenge? Neither will she. The average guy gets defensive, over-explains, or tries to prove himself. But in doing that, he fails. Why? Because she's not looking for the perfect reply. She's looking for your calm. Here's your new mindset. It's not a battle to win. It's a moment to lead. She says, bold shirt. The usual guy says, oh, you don't like it. You? You say, damn right, I only wear what gets reactions. Boom, test passed. Confidence doesn't explain itself. It owns the space. She's feeling your energy, not your logic. When you stay relaxed and playful, you show power. When you react, you leak anxiety. Let her tease, let her test, play along. Confidence is magnetic. It builds attraction fast. Deeper truth. She's not trying to argue. She's searching for a man who can handle the waves, who can be her emotional anchor. When you pass, she softens. She feels safe. She begins to respect you, and that's where real attraction begins. One of my coaching clients heard, I feel like you're too into me. Instead of defending, he smiled and said, maybe I'm just clear on what I want. Test passed. Respect earned. So next time she tests you, stay calm, no flinching, mirror the mood, stay light and playful. Don't explain, ever. Flip the frame, own it, lead it. She says, are you always this full of yourself? You say, only when I'm right. She says, you seem like trouble. You say, only the fun kind. That's presence. That's power. That's what she feels. Remember, female tests are emotional check-ins. Your job isn't to avoid them. It's to lead through them. When you do, you stand out. You become unforgettable. You build deep attraction without chasing. If this opened your eyes, like, subscribe, and comment. What's a test you faced and how did you handle it? Stay grounded, stay confident, and remember, she's not testing to reject you. She's testing to feel you. Pass the test and she'll follow your lead.